Hello children, good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about reflection of light at plane surface. Class ninth. Now what is medium? The material through which light passes or travels, that is called medium. Light pass, that is called medium. In air, light pass, glass light pass, water light pass, etc. Now what is refraction? Bending of light from one medium to another medium is called refraction. From diffraction, what are the two types of medium children? One is rarer medium and one is denser medium. Now we are going to learn about rarer medium, the medium in which speed of light is more, that is called rarer medium or optically rarer medium. For example, air and vacuum. In rarer medium, what is the thing children? The light which easily pass, that is called rarer medium or optically rarer medium. In air, light pass easily. Vacuum, the air pass easily. Speed of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters approximately. Okay, so now what is denser medium? The medium in which speed of light is less is called denser medium or optically denser medium. For example, water and glass. And as it is children, as it is one medium, light easily pass. When it is fast, it is rarer medium. When it is low, it is called denser medium, like water and glass. Speed of light in water is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meters approximately. Or you can notice over here children, the 3 into 10 to the power 8, it is high over here. In this the uh, light low, that is denser medium. Okay, now we are going to learn about what are daily basis of refraction, everyday examples. One example I'm going to do children. Now take this take a glass over here. Just take a pencil and put into a water of glass, as I have done over here. I had filled the water with half of water only and insert the pencil. That means the glass, which half there is air, half is it air and is there, and below that water is there. Below that water is there, up air is there. Am I clear? Below that water is there. We are changing the medium now, air to water. What we are going to do? We are going to change the medium from air to water, water to air, like that. And air is the rarer medium and water is the denser medium. What are you observing children over here? You are observing that pencil part which is under the water, it appear is it as bending. Over here it's looking at it as bending. What it is, it looks like it is bending over here. It happens due to refraction because light is traveling from one rarer medium to denser medium. Am I clear children? One more example children I will explain over here. You think as you'll be standing in the swimming pool. Actually you'll be one more example I will explain you. If you go and stand near the swimming pool, it's appears shallow. It's really, did you observe any time children over here? Because of water is there and air will be changing. Air will be from water speed is changing because of when they exchange the speed. When they exchange the speed, it happens. Am I clear children? That nothing but of refraction, and you observe many examples in your daily life. Why refraction happen? Because of change the speed of light. Let us say speed of light is 10 to the 10 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 meters approximately, and since denser than air, it slow down the air, then enters the water. Because water speed is 2.5 10 to the power 8 meters approximately. Just now I told you the change of speed light travel through air to water causes of light bending properly. Okay, To understand this, there is nothing but here I have considered a glass. Here here I have considered a glass. Here I have considered glass and correct the surface like in a previous class I discussed. So coming to the surface, it is coming and touching to the point. Now children, now the surface is nothing but over here transparent material, a transparent material which is passing from the travel of transparent material another medium here light which is coming from the surface is called incident ray, that is passing, that is called incident ray, and the rays which is passing and moving away, that is medium is called reflected ray, reflected ray. And we know that point touching this point, this point is nothing but touching the surface, nothing but incidence we discussed in the previous class. We draw a perpendicular line over here, perpendicular line, perpendicular line if we draw. Similarly, this is the normal and refractive ray making an angle, that is ma- making an angle. one one thing always remember children, angle, one thing always remember children, angle of incidence is greater than angle of reflected ray. I is greater than r. Okay children, in refraction these laws are very important. Understand children? Understand? For today's your homework is read chapter 4 page number 49, 50 and 51, underline the difficult words and learn the given definitions. Am I clear children? See you in the next class. Hope you all understood.